Having trouble receiving voicemails on your consumer cellular phone? It's a common issue, especially after AT&T network upgrades. Visual voicemail relies on both your phone's settings and consumer cellular's connection to AT&T's network. If you're not getting voicemail alerts or the voicemails themselves, start with these quick checks. First, check your connection. Make sure you have a strong cellular data or Wi-Fi signal. Visual voicemail needs data to download messages. Second, enable visual voicemail. Go to your phone's settings, usually under Phone, then Voicemail, then Visual Voicemail, and ensure it's turned on. Third, restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh your phone's connection to the network. Fourth, toggle airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the cellular network. These steps resolve motion issues. If you're still having problems, move on to the next section for more in-depth troubleshooting. Still not getting voicemails? Let's dive deeper. Here are some advanced troubleshooting steps. First, update your phone and apps. Make sure your phone's operating system and the consumer cellular app are up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Second, check notification settings. Ensure that notifications are enabled for the phone app. Go to your phone's settings, then Notifications, then Phone, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Third, reset network settings. This can clear cached data that might be interfering with visual voicemail. For iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then Reset Network Settings. For Android, go to Settings, General Management, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Fourth, check if your voicemail box is full. If it is, you will not receive new voicemails. Dial 86 and delete old voicemails to create space. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Consumer Cellular Support at 1-888-345-5509. Their support team can help you reset your voicemail password or troubleshoot network-specific issues. Remember to have your account information ready when you call.